Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we save you from buyer's remorse and make sure your hard-earned cash is well spent. Today, we've got a high-flying showdown between two popular drones, the Holy Stone GPS Drone HS-175D, or as we like to call it, Holy Smokes, and the ATTOP Drone, aka the ATTOP. If you're ready to see which drone flies high and which one crash lands, hit that like button and let's get started. First up, Holy Smokes. With a price tag of $229, it's like that one friend who always insists on going to the fancy restaurant. Meanwhile, the ATTOP is only $109. That's more like grabbing a taco from a food truck. Affordable and still delicious. So if you're on a budget, the ATTOP is already winning this round. Next, let's talk about cameras. Holy Smokes boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a mini Steven Spielberg flying around. On the other hand, the ATTOP has a 1080p camera with a 120 degrees FOV. Not too shabby, but let's be real. When it comes to capturing your epic fails in ultra-high definition, Holy Smokes takes the cake. Reviewers of Holy Smokes appreciate the high picture quality and stability, while reviews for the ATTOP are mixed, mentioning decent picture quality but some issues with durability. Holy Smokes gives you a whopping 46 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's almost enough time to finish a Netflix episode. The ATTOP, with its 3 batteries, offers 30 minutes. It's like watching a bunch of TikToks. So if you're planning on some serious sky time, Holy Smokes is your go-to. Reviewers have praised the HS-175D for its long battery life, while ATTOP drone users have noted shorter battery life but appreciated the quick response from the seller for replacements. Holy Smokes comes packed with features like GPS auto return, altitude hold, optical flow, and even a follow me mode. It's practically a flying Swiss Army knife. The ATTOP isn't far behind with voice control, gesture photography, and 360 degrees flips. But let's be honest, it's more like a flying circus. Fun, but a bit gimmicky. Reviewers of Holy Smokes love its advanced features, while some ATTOP drone users find the features fun, but occasionally unreliable. Both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases, making them perfect for your next adventure. But Holy Smokes weighs under 250 grams, so you can skip the FAA registration paperwork. The ATTOP, while also portable, doesn't quite have that featherweight advantage. So if you hate bureaucracy as much as I do, Holy Smokes wins this round. Reviewers have noted the convenience of the lightweight Holy Smokes, while the ATTOP drone is appreciated for its portability but has faced some durability issues. Overall, Holy Smokes is highly recommended by reviewers for its ease of use, high picture quality, and advanced features. On the other hand, the ATTOP receives mixed reviews, with some users praising its affordability and fun features, but others experiencing durability issues. Alright, Buy Smart family, there you have it. Both drones have their strengths and quirks. Holy Smokes offers top-notch features and longer flight time, but comes at a higher price. The ATTOP is budget-friendly and packed with fun, but might not satisfy the hardcore drone enthusiasts out there. So which one are you gonna grab? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. See ya! Product links are in the description.